Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Ethena, your daily update. We'll just do a full update on it. I mean, overall, Ethena right now has been quite strong, all right? So you can say a lot about it, but if you fundamentally look at it, it's been super strong. Total value locked has increased by almost 10% in one day, which is almost $200 million. It's quite a lot, all right? So Ethena, the project is doing great. There's quite a lot of hype. There's quite a lot of momentum on X and just in general social sentiment around it. And then if we technically look at it, it's been super bullish as well. Right? Yesterday, after I made the video, so to do a bit of a refresh on the update yesterday, we had just gotten this bearish breakout below the main support level back then, 1.15, and what I told you is that I actually still thought Ethena was relatively bullish. And if you look at, for example, the open interest, which I normally use to identify the momentum, that was still increasing, or at least that was not that low either. So what I told you is that, you know, the main trade I'm looking for is a reclaim of 1.15. Like if we break back above that, and this is like one little fake out, that's a major buying opportunity. But what happened, I did not buy, because this was like a super strong move. It was like probably like one or two whales buying a ton of ENA. But that did cause us to break above 1.15 again. We even broke above this previous resistance level at 1.25. So since then we've been super strong, right? Two massive bullish breakouts with momentum. And then right now, look, we're just slowly grinding up. I mean, you can see some sort of a trend right here. And that is the trend we've been following. It's I wonder if I clone this trend line, I think this will be a perfect trend line to use. Yeah, so overall, Ethena still bullish. All right, there's nothing I can say that's bearish about Ethena. Bitcoin is also, well, Bitcoin fell down a bit. And Ethena also was hurt a little bit about because of that, I think, but it did not have a massive effect. All right, and like you saw, the open interest is still super high. So, look, at some point of time, this bullish momentum that we have is going to stop. But at this moment, Ethena fundamentally, like I said, is still bullish. The market cap is $1.8 billion right now. We're still gaining a ton of volume right here. And you should not forget that Ethena is backed by some major influencers, like Ansem, Arthur Hayes. So there is just a lot of fundamental pressure behind this. So I'm bullish on Ethena. Now that doesn't mean that I think we'll go up only. All right. Right now we're testing the support level right here at around 1.25 again. I believe, and I looked at this earlier this morning. I'm not sure what the exact numbers are anymore. But I believe that there's some strong liquidity to the downside as well. Yeah, there's some liquidity right here at 1.25. What I think now is that we'll test that level around 1.25. And because of the market structure, because of the market in general, and because of the momentum, everything together, I expect us to hold 1.25. We might spike down to 1.2, but hold 1.25 with a candle close. I think we'll spike down. I think we'll find support, and I think ultimately, like, there's this minor level at like 1.3 or 1.32, excuse me, but that will break back above that, and that will start rallying up to 1.45 and 1.5. That's what I think is most likely. It's in line with the technical structure right now. It's in line with the fundamental strength of the project. It's in line with the market, I would say, even though we had some bearish momentum. So that's what I expect. Now, if for some reason, look, I would say even if Ethena drops down to this level right here at 1.15 again, the channel still holds. All right, so the only way Ethena can turn bearish is if we drop down to 1.15 and we are not able to break back above 1.25 and 1.27. That's the only way Ethena can turn bearish here and drop down to 1.05 and $1, which I don't think is most likely. So keep that in mind in general. But no, I'm bullish on Ethena, and there's two scenarios in which we can do that. I would say this is most likely. Alternatively, like I said, we can also drop down to 1.15, reclaim 1.25, and rally from there. Those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.